Hey, what's up guys? Coach Joe here. I want to talk about the muscle snatch. So, as said in the name, we are going to be using a lot more of our actual pressing muscles to do this movement as opposed to a normal snatch where we're used to exploding up, pulling high, and then sneaking under that bar. Now, we're going to stand up, and then the legs are going to stay fully extended, and then we're going to finish and focus on a hard press out with the arms. So things that I want to keep in mind, when I grab that bar, my snatch grip is going to be super wide compared to pretty much anything else that I do. A good cue is it rests right there in my hips. So that's how we know that we have the correct snatch grip. If I raise my knees, the bar doesn't get too much in the way, and that's because I want that bar to be able to get pulled into my hip crease, and then I explode it up using that power from my legs. So muscle snatch, I am standing up, and then once I finish standing, I want to focus on squeezing my quads, squeezing my glutes, really extending those legs, and then I'm going to ride that energy. I'm going to pull that bar super high. Instead of sneaking under that bar, like in a power snatch or a full snatch, I'm going to pull high and then press out using the muscles in my shoulders. So this is what we want our muscle snatch to look like. So standing up super fast, no rebend in the legs, and then it's mostly arms. You have to pull hard and then press high up. So this is what we don't want to see when we do a muscle snatch. Because I was rebending after I'm pulling that bar high. We want to pull up high and press out. So let me just show you what that's going to look like from the side. Nice wide grip. And hard press out at the top. As opposed to rebending my legs.